How to fix Discord API error full guide. Are you seeing the message increased API errors on Discord? Or getting error messages when trying to send messages, join voice channels, or access server settings? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what this error means and every proven fix to get Discord working again. First, let me explain what the Discord API error actually means. The Discord API is the system that handles all communication between the Discord app on your device and Discord servers. When you see increased API errors, it means Discord's backend is struggling to process your requests. This cascades into multiple visible problems like messages failing to load, voice channels not responding, streaming breaking, and server settings throwing errors. Now here are the fixes. Fix number 1, check Discord's status page first. Go to discordstatus.com before doing anything else. If Discord shows increased API errors or an ongoing incident, the problem is on Discord's side, not yours. Wait for Discord to resolve it and try again in a few minutes. Fix number 2. Turn off hardware acceleration in Discord. This is the single most effective fix for API errors affecting streaming and messages. Click the gear icon at the bottom left of Discord to open user settings. Go to Advanced and toggle off hardware acceleration. Close Discord completely and reopen it. This alone fixes the majority of API error cases. Fix number 3, restart Discord completely. Do not just reload it. Close Discord entirely from your taskbar and system tray if it is still running. Wait 30 seconds and reopen the app. This clears any stuck API sessions. Fix number 4, clear your Discord cache folder. On Windows, press Windows key +R, type %appdata% and press enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Relaunch Discord. On Mac, go to Users, then Library, then Application Support, find Discord and delete the cache inside. Fix number 5, check your internet connection. Discord API errors are often caused by unstable internet. Test another website to confirm your connection is working. If it is slow or dropping, restart your router or switch to a wired connection. Fix number 6, flush your DNS cache. Open command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This clears old routing data that might be blocking your connection to Discord's API servers. Fix number 7, disable browser extensions if you use Discord on web. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with API requests. Open Discord in an incognito window or disable all extensions and try again. Fix number 8. Turn off your VPN if you are using one. Disconnect from any VPN or proxy service and connect directly to your home network. VPNs can route your requests through slow or flagged servers that trigger API errors. Fix number 9, try a different Discord client. If the desktop app is showing API errors, try the web version at discord.com or the mobile app. Sometimes the error is specific to one client and switching to another resolves it immediately. Now here is your pro tip. If you are getting API errors consistently and Discord's status page shows everything is operational, the issue may be on your ISP side. Try temporarily using a different network like a mobile hotspot. If the error goes away on a different network, contact your ISP about possible rate limiting or blocking of Discord's API servers. So to recap, check Discord's status page, turn off hardware acceleration, restart Discord completely, clear your cache folder, check your internet connection, flush your DNS, disable extensions. Turn off your VPN and try a different Discord client. If this video helped you fix the API error, hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord guides. And drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.